In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can open the Windows Services Manager on your Windows 11. So let's get started. I'm going to share to you three ways. So first is by using the Run dialog. Press Windows key and R button together to open the Run window. Type services.msc and click on OK. And this will direct you to the Windows Services Manager, so you can find all the services on your Windows 11. Next method is to go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match and the same window will appear from here. So you can see all the services running and disabled on your Windows 11. Next method is you have to right click at the start button, select Task Manager. Maximize this. Then click on Services on the left pane and click on this option, Open Services. And that's it. The same thing will appear from here. So those are the three easy ways on how you can open the Windows Services Manager on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.